Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2011 Ford Focus 5-door hatch, stock reference number 4087. This shape runs from the 5th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. Left front has a ball tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. We have the left tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a black centre console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.